Welcome back to the Breakdown. I am here today to announce that our server, play.breakdowncraft.com, is in fact finally live. It's taken us a lot of work. We put a lot of time and a lot of effort into getting a solid, grief-protected 1.13.1 survival server up and running, and it's finally here. We're going to be expanding to a much bigger network than just survival, but we're launching with just grief-protected 1.13 survival. It's an awesome flipping time. We've already got people joining into the server who have just been like building up the hype and noticed the IP went online. So yeah, if you want to come join, play.breakdowncraft.com, but also be sure to join our Discord, which is actually the second link down below. Technically the first one's not a link, it's just the IP, play.breakdowncraft.com, so you guys can come play, but down below the second link is our Discord server where you'll be able to vote on the future of the server, where we go with it, whether we add Skyblock, factions, kit PvP, what do you want next? Well, you can vote for that on Discord. You can also go on Discord and just interact with the community. You can talk to people there, get, like help and things like that. So go check it out. That is the second link down below. And then last but not least is, of course, the Breakdown store. The Breakdown Craft store is now live. It's up. If you want to buy ranks or anything, right there it is. That's linked down below. And I'll go ahead and throw the website down below as well. Patrick put a lot of work into that, and it looks absolutely awesome. It's got a ton of information on the server if you want to check out that before you go live. That kind of explains everything even more than just playing on the server does. Well, playing on the server is probably your best way to understand it, but if you don't want to play on the server and want to understand what the server is, you can go to the website. So yeah, there is that, guys. Come join us, play.breakdowncraft.com. I'm not going to expand this out more than what it is here, but I will say that I've got a 10-hour Let's Play video coming up on the server in addition to hacker trolling, more Let's Play content, just tons of awesome, fun stuff, guys. It is coming your way, and I can't wait. It's only up from here as far as the server goes, so yeah, come join us again, play.breakdowncraft.com. I will see you guys there.